So you might be having an issue within TikTok, or for some reason the application is just not loading, or maybe you're getting a little pop-up that says TikTok couldn't load, please try again. Now the reason why this may be happening for the most part, and it's actually a pretty common issue, is usually due to the fact that your internet connection is not set up properly, or you are on a very slow internet connection. So what this basically means is, for the most part, is that you just need to go ahead and basically just connect to a better internet connection. So just make your way over to your settings application. You can also make your way over to, your whatever other app. You can also swipe down from the top right here. And all you want to do is just make sure your internet connection set up or your data connection is connected properly. As long as those things are good, then you will probably be good for the most part. But there can also be a lot of times where your internet connection looks like it's good, but it's not. So just make sure you're connected to the 5G variant of your Wi-Fi, and usually that will end up fixing the problem. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you can try doing is just literally swiping out of TikTok. So just completely closing out of TikTok and then just going back into it. Sometimes that may end up fixing the problem as well, and a lot of times that's probably all you're going to have to do. Now, if that's still not working, let's say you try that and that's still not working, well, the next thing you want to try is just seeing if TikTok has an update available. So just go and click on your app store here, and all you want to do is just go and search up TikTok. So in this case, this looks like it's not showing up here. You just want to search up TikTok, and you want to see if there's an update available for it. A majority of the time there might be, and that's probably all you're going to have to do. Now, if that's still not working, you may just want to go over to a website that tells you if things are down. So in this case, you can go to Down Detector, you can go to Is It Down, wherever the other website you want to go to. And if TikTok is like number one, that typically means TikTok is down, and you're just going to have to wait until they fix their situation. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.